President William Ruto has hosted Bishop Edward Mwai, the founder of Jesus Winner Ministry, at State House, following mounting controversy over the president's pledge of $120 million to his church. The meeting comes after the bishop revealed that he has been receiving abusive phone calls and messages from Kenyans angered by the donation, with some even threatening to stage protests at his church. During a church service on Sunday, Ruto pledged $20 million as a personal donation and promised to raise an additional $100 million through a Harambee, a statement that was met with loud cheers from the congregation. However, outside the church, the reaction was far from celebratory. Many Kenyans, already grappling with economic hardships and the government's calls for austerity, were outraged. Social media erupted with criticism, questioning why the president would make such a massive donation while the country faces pressing financial issues, including high taxes and a struggling economy. The backlash has taken a personal toll on Bishop Mwai and his family. He revealed that he has received over 5,000 abusive messages, making it impossible for him to make phone calls. The harassment has been so intense that he and his wife were forced to purchase new mobile lines to escape the onslaught of criticism. Amid the uproar, Mwai has clarified that the church has not received a single shilling from the president's pledge. He also distanced himself from church finances, emphasizing that he does not personally collect or count tithes and offerings. This statement, however, has done little to quell the anger of Kenyans who remain skeptical about the donation and the broader issue of church-state relations. Adding another layer to the controversy, Ruto confirmed that the Kenya Defense Forces, KDF, had handed over a piece of land in Roysambu to Bishop Mwai. While the purpose of the land transfer remains unclear, it has only fueled suspicions that the church is receiving special treatment from the government. The outrage has now escalated into organized resistance, with Kenyans launching the hashtag #OccupyJesusWinner. A group of activists and concerned citizens have planned a protest for March 9th, where they intend to take their grievances directly to Bishop Mwai's pulpit. This planned demonstration highlights the growing public frustration with perceived government excesses and the increasing scrutiny of political donations to religious institutions. Ruto's close ties with the church have long been a defining aspect of his presidency, but this incident raises fresh concerns about the intersection of religion and politics in Kenya. As pressure mounts, it remains to be seen whether the president will follow through with his pledge or backtrack in response to public discontent. Meanwhile, the controversy has once again put Kenya's economic struggles and governance priorities under the microscope, forcing both the government and religious institutions to navigate an increasingly restless public.